since you guys are all buying this from all over North America, hello Indiana, Minnesota, Florida, California, just have it up there. This is why people buy these from us without even sitting in it. So we're going to do all the dimensions. So the Ecolo Connect, the seat is all the way back. Measurements from the seat to where your knees would go, 19 inches. Seat to the highest part of the ceiling, oh, what is that?
38.5.
Okay,
39.
and then we have a little bit, then we got, if your head fits here, you get another 1/4 of an inch. Width of the seat, 14 inches. At the front, about 16 inches. 16 inches from back to front. Height of the seat, 28 inches. Now let's say your seat is more upright, right? Because I think that's more of a natural seating position.
2 feet.
2 feet. And then to the top,
34.
okay, pretty good. Now, if the seat is all the way to the front, so if you're shorty short, what is that?
10 inches.
10 inches.
15. 2 feet, 24 inches.
24 inches. And then look at the back here. So the seat height, 16 inches.
Yep.
Seat depth, 18. Width, about 30. So you can definitely fit 2 people back here. Now, I'm 5'3". This is not where I would have this. So I'm going to put this to where I'm comfortable. So my leg length is 22 inches. My seat to my head is 32. And yes, my butt comes off this a little bit, but it's still comfortable. Now when we shut the door, width inside. So this slimmest area is 27.5 inches. So that's your elbow room, 27.5. We know the height, 5 feet. Length is, we know is, I think 90. Is that at the front? Yeah, it is 90. Width of the car. Let's go from the widest point from here to here. 39, 40 inches. Same, but with mirror to mirror, 52. I think that covers all that. So there's your dimensions.